The books.
Hey guys, we're back for the third episode of our series.
Griffin, you need to get a book.
What?
You need to get a book.
I don't want it.
How do you even get a book?
You don't even know?
Nope.
Such a freaking noob. 3 paper and a leather.
Oh my god, I'm almost bad. How do you make paper?
Sugar cane.
How do you make sugar cane?
You know. Stop asking dumb questions.
How?
You know how to. Stop asking dumb questions.
I might die.
I hope you do.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Yay, Thomas is gonna die.
No, I didn't die. Haha.
I'm gonna so die. Okay. Oh
You
god.
are.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, I'm good.
Using GIMP right
I'm
now.
swag.
Oh, it's so amazing. Jason's using GIMP right now. Griffin?
Yeah, I just kicked him from the call.
Thank
I know, right?
you. What? Oh god. I'm coming to F home. F home. I have 11 obsidian for no reason. Can you please just get a book?
Well, if we had leather and paper.
Is that at the surface?
My power just went out and then on.
Can you get the leather and then I'll get the paper? There's no sugar cane along this shore. It's so annoying. Dude, you know the river?
Yeah.
There's literally no sugar cane. Is there a shop in this server?
Warp shop, dummy.
How are we supposed to get the money?
Vote. Stupid piggy. Oh, I found a cow.
Found cows. That's not what we need though, Griffin. We need the sugar cane.
Yeah, but we need a
Oh my
river.
god, I found sugar cane.
Me too.
How much sugar cane do you need for paper?
3.
I have 2.
I have 9.
9 sugar cane.
Mhm.
I'm gonna replant mine then, like really towards our sky base / home, so we can have like. Oh no, I found more. I want to plant as much as I can, so
I
we
found
don't
more
have
too.
to go through this again. And also, I want pumpkin pie. So now I have 9 also. Doing / home. Do you have leather?
Yep.
Okay. You can use yours to make a book. I'm planting sugarcane.
Give me the obsidian. Give me the obsidian.
No, I want to craft it.
Because you did so much work.
Dude, I got the obsidian.
Who cares? I could have done that.
And I could have done the leather.
Oh, where are you? I don't see you.
I'm in home.
Oh.
Yes. How do you craft it again?
The book?
Yep.
I already crafted the
To
book.
the table.
Book is in the top middle.
Mm-hmm.
Diamonds on the middle left and right.
Oh, we need 2 diamonds. I thought we only needed 1.
You play like every day, Thomas. Do you not know this? You do play.
Oh,
every day.
I see this. Obsidian. And I did it.
No, we're gonna make another floor for it. Don't put it down.
And we still have 7 obsidians.
Do we have any cobble?
I have 11.
We're gonna way more than that. Okay, I'll go get some.
Put it in this middle chest.
Start building another floor, Thomas.
I don't have any cobble too.
Well, then come down here.
Jump
Get some.
down.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo! Oh my god.
Did you see I planted sugar cane right there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm using my iron pick for this.
Alex, was it that news from Puck now? Yeah. It's alright, I don't think you're working yourself there. I think you're working to go to another level.
How much should I get?
2 stack.
Alright, one stack.
Me too.
I'm using my iron pick. There's a name. Oh no, it's you. Yeah, it's you. Just want to take the proper precaution. Oh, just so you know, I have a stack of iron.
Cool. I don't really care about iron, Thomas.
What?
I don't really care about iron. Care about diamond.
So I should turn my X-ray on.
What?
X-ray. Oh. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have X-ray. I wish I had X-ray. I wish.
Freaking idiot.
What?
That's all I'm gonna say.
I wish I had X-ray. I mean, X-ray is awesome. Wow.
I wish my first episode would just upload already. God dang it.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Yay.
Oh my god, I hate you. It's waiting. I'm teleporting. Oh, there I am. Alright, I'm gonna smelt all this. Ooh, thanks for the beef. I'm using every single furnace. Where should I put this crafting bench? I mean, enchanting table.
I'm making another floor for it right now.
But we need bookcases.
I know. That requires more leather and more sugar cane. Okay, come on. Come on. Do you want to make a trapdoor? Oh, I don't make one. 6 away.
Yeah, I'll go do it.
Okay, and make some ladders.
Okay. So we need a trap. I made 24 ladders and 2 trapdoors. Ooh, I just realized something. We got a trapdoor we can't get up, okay?
Yeah, we can. No, stop. You still like that.
Oh, so you push it and then... Oh, that's weird. Oh, whatever.
YOLO.
I'll keep building.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I died.
You died.
No. Come back up. I meant to do 1, 2,
I'm building the second floor.
3, 4, 5, 6. Don't! Stop it! Tom, stop.
This is the last layer.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, make that 6 high.
So right now it's 4 high, so it needs to be 2 higher.
Yep. Because that's how much the first level is. Just make it step to be
equal.
Wait, stop, don't build! Okay, let me get up. Alright, we're good.
Wow, thanks for taking my spot.
You're welcome. Is that 6?
Yeah.
Okay, now we need a roof.
Is the roof on top or below?
What?
Is the roof on top or like on?
It's on the top. Yeah, I'll show you. Let me just
Do you build another layer for the roof or
No,
do you just build it?
no,
Okay.
I like that. That's so low.
Bring some torches from the chest from out of this room. Do you know what would be funny? If we got raided right now on first day.
No, that'd be funny.
Yeah, I can see the ground, just saying though.
I know you can see the ground. You never rendered. You don't render anything?
My render distance is 10.
Yeah, my render distance is tiny. Because you already have a rendered chunk. So when you already have a chunk rendered, you can see the whole chunk. People don't have a rendered when they just walk into it. Bozo. My power keeps on flashing.
Oh no, I'm at a cobble.
I have one. I just came in here.
I'm in a cobble. Stop. That's a minor thing.
Make some more torches.
No, I must get my iron.
Why do we have so many torches in here?
I don't know. We have more in the chest, bozo.
What?
We have more coal you could use.
I know, but we don't need these. This is a waste of torches.
I'm putting a stack of iron.
I just saved 22 torches.
Why is there glass?
I don't know. It's fine.
This isn't bad. That's really good. Alright.
I think it was the other guy in faction.
He's weird.
No, he isn't. He's been watching his video, so good luck with that.
Just joking. I don't like snow. This one.
The enchanted right in the middle.
I don't know which block is in the middle. I don't think there is one.
Just as middle as you can.
Or maybe you should do it.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm just lighting up the place where the place where we mine for cobble. I'm just lighting it up because it's a little dark.
7, 8, 9. 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So go. 2, 3, 4. 1. So this is like the center. Oh yeah, I found the center. It's not really center though. Ooh, it's a problem.
It doesn't matter, Thomas.
You'll see the problem when you come up here. Just come up here and you'll see.
It's probably like the littlest problem ever.
No, it isn't. It's a big problem. We can't fit the enchanting table and a library on this level.
Yes, we can.
It's not wide enough.
Yes, it is.
It's 3 and 4. It's
Yeah.
not,
So?
so we can't get level 30.
Yes, you can. Look. Move.
That won't give you level
Yes, it
30.
does. And then you
Oh yeah?
and you do one top. You're like a total noob. All you do is NCPVP, Thomas.
Yeah.
Like that. And then it will be level 30.
I'm stepping down to get more of that, what's called sugarcane. It doesn't even grow in that much.
Yeah, it doesn't grow. It shouldn't.
Why?
Because it doesn't have enough time to grow yet.
I'm putting more. I grew more. How much extra sugarcane do you have?
I don't know. Look in the chest.
Because we need to make cookies. Can we find in the shop?
By what?
Cookies. Wait, isn't Super Butter the leader of the server?
No.
Oh.
Why would he be a leader of the server?
I don't know, I thought.
Why would he even?
Oh.
Oh yeah, you can buy bookshelves in the shop. But
Ow,
they're-
ears ringing.
you can buy bookshelves in the shop, but they're expensive.
Cookies in the shop?
Yeah, 16 for 275.
Oh wow, that's retarded. That's not even enough to build them all.
Almost. Oh wait, just go vote, Thomas.
How do you vote?
Do slash vote.
Slash vote. I did slash vote.
And then click on the link. Oh my freaking god, you're freaking totally freaking
There is no link.
slash vote.
I hit slash vote.
Oh, frick. I saw in chat. It said slash vote.
Yes, I got 32 cookies.
Wow.
I got what?
Dude, that's gonna buy us like nothing.
32 bucks.
How much money do you have?
Slash money. 90.
Okay, pay me all your money and I can buy 16 bookshelves and then combined with your books you can buy everything. Do everything. Pay me your money. And if you don't know how to do that, I give up on you.
It says I do not have access to that command.
Slash pay, really?
You can do that for yourself. It says I don't have
I
access.
know. So, and then pay to pay me 90, but I said to pay for my
Last Angeles, no thank you.
Tell me what I've done. I'm trapped. Or Japanese.
Thomas, soccer, help! Thomas, we're talking.
We're jailed. I think this is the jail, like, honestly. I get permanently put you here.
Ow.
This is so annoying.
Well, I'm just going to that phone.
I'm jailed here forever. That's so weird.
Yeah.
I think so. Go and use wood. I can craft. I can craft 10 bookshelves.
Yeah.
Dude, I crafted 10 bookshelves.
Wow.
That's good. I don't know. Chow? Where's that facing bookshelf?
Come up here. What do you think? Place one right. Place one right. Here. Right. No, right here. Don't do it in corners.
You're trying to kill that guy that you see right there.
He's good.
No, kill him.
Can't.
Yeah, Tom, kill him.
Can't.
Try it.
Try it. I can't.
No, try it again right now. We keep it straight. Try to kill him. Yeah, kill him.
Alright, 2 bookshelves.
Griffin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ooh, we can get level 10 in chance.
You know, I was joking the whole time, right?
Yeah, I know.
Alright, thanks. Cool. What happened to the bookcase? Like,
I don't have any more.
fuck you, dude.
You're a ball sack. I'm gonna go buy more books.
And at least I had a ball sack.
Oh yeah, really? You can even ask a girl out. He still hasn't even asked the girl out. I'm not lying. I can make 6 more bookshelves. I just bought more books.
Weird. 6 bookshelves.
I made more bookshelves for the enchant people.
Otherwise, I don't sound like gay ass when I sing.
You sound like a gay retard when you sing. You go.
Really, Tops, I'm the one that sounds gay. What's your
Yeah.
lowest note? I can't hear.
Dude, we can get level 30 in chance.
I think that makes you gay because you sing higher than I would.
Don't kill us.
That's over an octave lower than you can sing.
You're a ball sack.
You wish you were a tenor, but you're just a bitch.
I am gonna be tenor. Dude, guess what? I did a level 10 on enchant for my sword. Guess what I got?
What?
Smite Unbreaking Knockback.
That's awful.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna make it.
Thomas, look in this middle chest.
Oh, you ass. What the hell?
Ow.
Haha, I just ruined your
No.
Nice try, bro.
There, I did it again. Stop.
We can get level 30 in chance.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't.
Try it. Try it. You don't have to believe me.
We don't. Holy crap.
Told you.
Oh,
You just can't get level like 20.
Yeah, you just put torches on the wall. And it blocks out the bookshelves.
Where did it go?
Guess.
Shop.
Nope.
I'm just gonna see if there's a warp PvP.
Is there?
No. I'm gonna try to TPA to Zeus. And see if he will let me kill him. Cool. Yes, he accepted.
Don't kill him, please.
Kill him?
Don't.
Oh, he's at spawn.
Okay, Thomas, do you want to end the video off here?
There's a guy.
It's me. Thomas, do you want to end the video off here?
Oh, I see. I hate you.
Do you want to end the video off here, Thomas?
No, let's kill somebody. Then we end it.
There's no one to kill.
Yes, Zeus. There's a guy at a spawn.
He's our ally, first of all.
No, there's other people at a spawn. You can just enemy them.
No, I'm not enemying him. What are you, like a warmonger?
Yeah, I want to kill a guy.
Well, maybe when the server gets more popular, there will be a lot of guys.
Oh, guy.
Well, I'm gonna end the video off here. Thanks for watching. I hope we get
Die.
Die. Die. Die.
Die.
Bye.